Okay, we're going to end with solving multi-step proportions. Now, you guys love telling me when you see fractions, you're like, cross multiply. You love that. That's like the thing you remember the most from back in the day. And that is true here. But that is when you have a fraction equals a fraction. You can cross multiply, okay? So on number 2, when we're cross multiplying, we're really doing like n times 6. We're doing 5 times 2n plus 4. Now usually you just have one term on each of those. So that 5 times 2n plus 4 might look a little tricky at first. But here's how we're going to set it up. We're just going to do 5 and then parentheses 2n plus 4 equals, and then n times 6 is just 6n. So this is a friendly looking equation. We go through our multi-step equation steps. Step 1 is distribute. So we'll multiply the 5n. 5 times 2n is 10n. 5 times 4 is 20. Now typically, I always say get rid of the smaller variable, but, which would be the 6n. If we did that, there'd be nothing over here. It'd be 0. And that's fine, but I'm kind of adding an extra step by doing that. So I'm going to go against what I usually say here and actually get rid of the 10n. So we're going to subtract 10n. And we could always do that anyway. Just usually when you get rid of the smaller one, you're not dealing with negatives. And we're fine. We can handle negatives. So those cancel. We have 20 equals negative 4n. And then we just divide by negative 4. If you have positive 20 divided by negative 4, that'll give you negative 5. Awesome. Okay, we got the same thing. So we're going to be doing 5 times this stuff. I'm going to set it up like distribution. 5 parentheses negative 10g plus 1 equals 7 times 3g plus 21. Okay, I'm going to move over for a minute. Let's distribute. 5 times negative 10g is negative 50g. 5 times 1 is 5. Over here, 7 times 3g is 21g. 7 times 21. 7 times 2 is 14, right? So 7 times 20 would be 140. 7 times 1 would give you 7. So 7 times 21 would give us 147. Cool. Papa Plant would say get rid of the smaller one here. So I'm going to get rid of negative 50g by adding 50g's. But of course, if you wanted to, you could have subtracted 21g's and it still works out. But I usually like those positive numbers because you know me, I try to be positive. 5 equals 71g plus 147. We gotta get rid of the plus 147. Let's subtract it. Negative 142 equals 71g. Ew, yes, let's divide by 71. Negative divided by positive is negative. 71 goes into 142 2 times. Sweet. That's it, baby birds. We did it.